Kyle from J.Racenstein, and I have the Pro Tool 50-foot water-fed pole here. If you're looking for a game-changing water-fed pole for commercial cleaning, this pole is it. It's going to do 4 to 5 stories with ease all day long. So if you're looking to do those low-rise 4 to 5 story buildings that are really, really wide and you've got just a ton of panels to do, this pole is going to be excellent. It's 100% high modulus carbon fiber, so it's stiffer and more rigid than a standard carbon fiber pole, all at a great price point right now. It's gonna have a couple cool features like all the other Pro Tool poles: quick open clamps, bolts on clamps, as well as that square lock adapter at the brush, so it's gonna be nice and stable for you. It comes with the Pro Tool dual trim high flow brush. It's got custom designed jets to flow a ton of water for those commercial jobs. 100 feet of 5/16 Pro Tool water-fed hose, as well as all the gooseneck and adapters you need to go from your pure water cart out to your brush to run that pole on glass. Pro Tool 50-foot high mod pole, excellent for commercial cleaning.